So what are the implications and the expectations riding on Lionel Messi's power move from Barcelona to PSG? Messi teaming up with Neymar and Mbappe must be one of, if not the best offensive forces in the history of football. This is supposed to send shivers through every defender in the French league. But that aside though, what about the dynamic of Neymar leaving Barcelona to escape the shadow of Messi? What? Messi left him shadow. Going to Barcelona. But yo, over 300,000 French fans in the street of Paris to welcome Messi to his new club. And of course, playing in a substandard league, Messi is supposed to dominate and score a ton of goals. It is in the PSG's pursuit of that elusive Champions League title that will put Messi under some pressure and will test his brittle mental fortitude out of his comfort zone and out of the Barcelona shirt. When those big, high-pressure Champions League games begin to come quick and fast, when Messi looks down on himself and sees the PSG shirt instead of the Barcelona shirt, when that pressure pipe turn on, will Messi rise to the occasion, or will he begin to will he begin shiver?